And as of course, us firemen are so supportive of each other, that's the thing you ever heard of, and that's how my business as an entrepreneur started. From there, as I said, I wasn't very good in school. I didn't like to read, I didn't like to write, so I started learning everything I could off of forums. This was back in the day before YouTube was out, before Facebook. This was like when YouTube was first starting out. Oh, I know that's before you were born. But that's how I started the whole business and why I started it. So 2012, I started my pressure washing business. 2014, I need to be able to hire people. I wanted to grow this thing and to hire people. And we live in Cincinnati. Cincinnati gets cold in the wintertime. You can't pressure wash when there's snow on the ground, otherwise we just make more snow. I started this pressure washing business 2014. I went to the huge convention, and there was a guy talking about Christmas lights, got me thinking about it. I started my Christmas lights in 2014 and I loved it ever since. I grew that Christmas light business. We were doing $500,000 a year in Christmas lights and $500,000 a year in pressure washing. 2018, we sold that business. I worked for it another year, did another $1 million. In 2019, it's still in business today. They've bought other businesses in the Cincinnati area. And so it was one of the largest pressure washing businesses in the area. I don't know if it still is anymore, but pressure washing and Christmas lights in that area when I had it. So that is how I started to, once I sold the business, I started loving to teach people how to grow businesses and changing lives. And I get messages all the time about how I've helped them be able to let their wife stay at home and make $400,000 a year and make $500,000 a year. And Jeremy Main went from on a garbage truck to do $1 million last year. And this year he's projected to do $1.5 million this year in a pressure washing and Christmas light business. And so that's what I do. I help people, I coach people, I teach them how to grow businesses.